Sa ibang mga balita naman po, ngayong araw ginugunita ang ika-9 na anibersaryo ng arbitral ruling na pumapabor sa Pilipinas sa usapin ng West Philippine Sea. Ngunit habang nananatiling matatag ang posisyon ng bansa, kinikilala rin ng Philippine Navy ang patuloy na hamon lalo na sa aspeto ng information warfare ng China. Narito ang report ni Brigada Kath Austria. Ibrigada mo!
Brigada Live Report.
July 12, 2016, isang makasaysayang araw para sa Pilipinas. Kinilala ng Permanent Court of Arbitration na walang legal na batayan ng 9-dash line ng China na sumasaklaw sa halos buong South China Sea. Ngunit 9 na taon matapos ang desisyong ito, nananatiling hamon ang kilos ng China sa West Philippine Sea.
What I could say is that the escalation is more on the narratives. The information warfare being waged against us, the false narrative, the malign influence being given out, that has increased. But on the actions, I will need to do a more in-depth assessment on that.
Pagdating naman sa aktual na galaw sa karagatan, inamin ng opisyal na pabago-bago ang kilos ng China.
Over the years, it's not a steady increase. There will be times that they are aggressive, there are times that they are aggressive or coercive, there are times that they are not. So it is a up and down. It fluctuates. It's not a steady increase of aggressiveness.
Partikular na nabanggit ang ilang insidente noong 2023 sa Ayungin Shoal at agresibong galaw sa Baho de Masinloc noong 2024.
They were aggressive in 2023 during the RORE missions to Ayungin Shoal. They were aggressive in 2024 in Baho de Masinloc. But for years before that, I have to check.
Napansin din umano ng Navy na mas kalmado ang kilos ng China kapag may presensya ng foreign navy sa MMCA o itong Multilateral Maritime Cooperative Activity. Ngunit matapos ang naturang aktibidad, bumabalik muli ang agresibong hakbang o aktibidad ng China.
During the conduct of the MMCAs, they are, so to speak, behaved. No coercive and aggressive actions. So the presence of foreign navies causes a short change, a temporary change in their behavior. But after the MMCA, they start being aggressive and they give out their narratives as if to show that they are still there and they are still a force to reckon with.
Samantala muling iginiit ng Armed Forces of the Philippines ang kanilang paninindigan sa pagtatanggol ng soberanya ng bansa sa WPS. Magpapatuloy din ang kanilang maritime at aerial patrols at pagpapalakas ng ating maritime domain awareness upang mapanatili ang seguridad at maprotektahan ang kabuhayan ng mga mangingisdang Pilipino. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Kath Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News of Manila, The Music and News Authority.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa atin ng Maxan Mangosteen Santon Coffee. Max Healthy, Max Sarap.